Joshy the
Ladies and gentlemen, the Allspark.
I got it right here.
It landed from another planet, and now it is going to blow us up.
Wait,
The
I-
Menace.
Want me to light it and put it in your hand?
No, I got it.
Oh, she's got it. This is going to be a big one, so I want to make sure it's in there really.
That's a box full of trouble.
All right. Oh. Okay, if this
He's
turns
got
over,
the
we're
shovel
screwed.
out.
It better not turn over.
Exactly.
We're screwed.
Here, let me move that little piece of cat turd out of there.
The Menace, the ultimate power.
Ultimate power!
Imagine it's just a little dud.
I'm an all-powerful genie!
Okay.
Okay.
Katie's going to light it. All right.